So this is how you solve this question on stoichiometry. If 20 moles of nitrogen gas reacts with 33 moles of hydrogen gas to produce ammonia, what is the limiting reagent? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to write your equation of reaction. N2 plus H2 to give NH3. That's ammonia. And then you balance it. Since we have 2N here, I would have 2N over there. And then our hydrogen, 2 times 3 is 6, so I have to put 3 here, so that 3 times 2 also is 6. Now this is balanced. So let me do it this way. Nitrogen is 20 moles, and hydrogen is what? 33. Limiting reagent here is pretty easy. What we'll do next, after getting the moles, is to divide this moles by this number here, 1. And divide this moles by this number here, 3. So that gives us 20, and here we have 11. So which one is smaller, 20 or 11? 11. And that means that hydrogen is our limiting reagent. H2 is our limiting reagent, and that's how you do it. So now you see the problem is that some people may use this 20 moles here and this 33 moles here, and then they'll be like 20 moles is smaller than 33 moles, so 20, which belongs to nitrogen, should be our limiting reagent, and that will be wrong. So you don't just use it's not just the moles you use to determine your limiting reagent. You have to go ahead to divide the moles by the stoichiometric coefficient, which is the number in front of the balanced equation, before you get values, and then whichever one is the smaller one becomes your limiting reagent. Okay, so don't make the mistake of just picking 20 and then saying that it's nitrogen. No, in this case we ended up having hydrogen as our limiting reagent. All right, so this is one quick way to find your limiting reagent. You could also look at it from the nitrogen perspective, try to figure out how many moles of nitrogen should react with all of the hydrogen, and also how many moles of the um, hydrogen should react with all of the nitrogen. And then with your calculations, you'll be able to determine if nitrogen is the limiting reagent or hydrogen. Okay, so that's like a longer process, but this is faster. Okay, and this works every time. So that's it. Hydrogen. Right, I'll see you on question 49. If this video was helpful for you, let me know in the comments. Bye bye.